Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I want to introduce you to Book2Act. Book2Act is an online booking service for Act software subscribers. This will not work if you're using Act Pro. The idea behind being a subscriber is there's some benefits you get from being a subscriber to Act subscription services. And these benefits are going to keep evolving. This is one of them. So what Book2Act is an online booking service where if you notice right here in this area, this is what the calendar looks like. You can install your own logo and go and have someone click on a link. They'll go here, they'll pick a time, they'll fill out a form, they'll schedule it, they'll get a confirmation and also have the ability to download an Outlook meeting right into their Outlook. And also, you'll get a confirmation email, which acts as your booking notice. So the minute someone books time with you, it will schedule that time accordingly and bring it right into Act. If the contact is brand new and has never been in your database, then that contact will be put into Act automatically. And as you come to book2act.com, you can go look at some more information. Now, I think one of the best things about this is it's inexpensive. It's $60 a year, and that's paid in advance 1 year. You can do a trial account. You can subscribe right through this, but I highly recommend it. There's even a video here that will show you how it works. My experience has been that you might need a little bit of help thinking this process through because there's some steps in here that in my opinion are not necessarily intuitive. They're things with a little bit of help and experience it will be easier for you to set up. And I'll give you an example of that. Let's say that you know you're out of the office every day on Thursdays. Well, you've got to accommodate this calendar to say, hey, you're not available on Thursdays. So how do you make sure to block out that day? There's a couple ways you can do that. And those are the kinds of things I can share with you. Personally, what I do is when I know I want to be away from my desk or unavailable, I schedule a recurring meeting weekly. So, for example, I've had a recurring activity that happens every Thursday from approximately 11 in the morning until late in the day, past 5 o'clock. And I just schedule that meeting to recur every single week. Because now that I've scheduled that, it will block out the calendar in Book2Act. So I highly recommend you take a look at this. And you might say, well, not every one of my clients or prospects is going to use this, and that's okay. Not everyone will. I get that. You might have to still schedule some things with, you know, manually by talking to people. But the thing I want to suggest to you is even if you can get half of them to book, it's just going to save you some time. So definitely take a look at Book2Act. I think it's really good. The website gives a lot of good information, and I highly recommend taking a look at this because it's very inexpensive and it's just a great tool to add to the way you use Act. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.